Hello and welcome back to the channel. A little bit of work today on the Mini Moke project. What we are calling the world's cheapest Mini Moke. It's no longer the world's cheapest Mini Moke, it's a money pit. But that's alright, that's what we do. Today I'm working on the jobs that I've done over the last couple of months, doing some neatening up, doing some tweaks and last minute details on those sections. I'm gonna put some primer on there today, so I was just finding any spots that needed improvement. I just cut out a little bit here. This was all swollen with rot, so I've cut out the section and replaced it. It was a double skin, so as you can see, this is how it is originally, so this is how we've put it back. Spot welded on that piece. I've seam welded it there and there where I've cut out, and that's pretty much how it was before I got to it, apart from with new metal. This needs fastening in. Well, that's nice and long. This needs fastening in properly. I've sanded down this a little bit, taking off some there's a lot of seam sealer and stuff on there, so that's been cleaned up. Again, this needs fastening on. I might fasten that on from the back underneath. I think that'll be the way to do it. This isn't seen, there's a plate that goes on top here. Seam weld that in there, close that up. I'm going to close that gap up and then recut a hole. Got these little blow throughs, so again I'll cut a little square there, put a square in, clean that up. Try and clean this up as much as I can and get some primer on there, and that's pretty much this section ticked off. I'm not going to show you the whole process. I'm not going to show you cutting, grinding, welding. We've seen enough of that on this channel. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the progress little by little. Hope you've been enjoying the content on the channel. Hope you've enjoyed the other projects that we're working on. Thanks again for watching. I'll update once I've done these little jobs, and that's a nice short video for today. Okay, so I've put tape where I'm going to cut out. I'm going to draw on the tape, then I'll cut the tape out and then transfer. I'll cut out with the tape and transfer that to a new piece of metal, cut around the tape, and the plan is it fits in bob on. Let's see. I have to be careful here because there's a second skin underneath, so I didn't want to go through that second skin as well, which I think I've managed. That had a load of crap blob on my previous welding attempt. I had to go a bit deeper through that. Looks alright. So there's our form. Gonna go grab a bit of metal from the metal bin. That's the good stuff. And then I'll transfer that onto our donor piece. Might draw around that just because it's not sticking very well. And that's our piece. And that's what we're basically to cut out. That's what I wanted to get rid of, all them holes. It had thinned out at this end and then burn through holes here. So that's our shape. Cut that out, pop it in there. Job's a good one. So that was a tape that was on the piece of metal. That's our metal cut out. Pretty happy with that. I think I can get good weld around that. Time to tack it in. That's better. Okay, done our little infill there. Don't know if you remember how it was. I got one little blow through, so I'm 3 steps forward and 1 step back. Need to fix that, but right now I can't be bothered. I've got that to fix, which again, it's only a small fix, but the rate I'm going, I fix one bit and I create another problem. So I'm going to leave that as it is for now. I just flattened off this previous weld here. I don't want to go too thin on this because I'm finding that when I'm grinding back, it's easy to thin out this old metal that's around it, and again you end up going through. So I'm not going to be too precious. I think I've got quite a nice finish on that anyways, so by the time it's got paint over it and, you know, probably won't fair it, but paint, primer, paint, I think it's going to look good. This section's all sorted. I need to zip this in here and here, so that's my next job right now. And then I'm gonna, before I go today, I want to put some paint on this so it can at least dry over the next few days when I'm not here and it's not going to get interrupted. That's where we're at. Okay, so I've just put a couple, look at my face, I'm absolutely covered in dirt. It's a good look. I've just put a few coats, build-up coats of well-through primer on there. I'm not 100% finished, I've still got a little blow through. Fix that. I've just been talking to Mike and we've decided I'm going to cut a square out. There's some rust here as well. So I'll cut a square out that straddles both sides eventually, and probably tack it from this side since I've got a lot more space to play with there. So that'll come onto there. But yeah, a little bit of primer on there just to protect it. And actually it feels like I've done some progress. I've got some welds to look at my slug welds. Does look like a slug's crawled along there. To clean off. A little bit of cleaning off. Again, you know, if I have to go through the primer, it's not a big deal. I just wanted to reach a stage and feel like I've accomplished something. It is a slow burner, this project, like we've mentioned before. But hopefully we can see progress. Hopefully we can see that we're getting somewhere with it. It's alright. Getting some work done. There she is. What we're saying as a percentage, I think we're 5% done on the body shell. Let me know your feedback, let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm happy to hear from you. Let me know what you think. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.